Hi, welcome to Ed Foodie. Today we're going to try another low carb snack. We're going to make tater tots out of cauliflower. The photos look great. Let's get started on this. I've got 2.5 cups of chopped cauliflower. You can buy the cauliflower and chop it yourself. I went ahead and bought the I think it's called riced cauliflower, just it's a lot easier. I've got 2 tablespoons of olive oil in a pan. So we'll try to get all these coated with the oil. So we'll do this for about 5 minutes. So these have been cooking for about 6 or 7 minutes, and they're starting to turn brown, so they're good now. I'll turn the oven off. Now the next step, I think we need to do this pretty quick because we're going to mix it with some spices and some cheese. And you want that cheese to melt a little bit, so you want these potatoes, yeah. So you want this cauliflower pretty hot and warm. So I'm going to transfer this into a separate bowl. It almost smells like hash browns. So our spices, I have a 1/4 teaspoon each of ground black pepper, onion powder, paprika, and a 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder, and 1/8 teaspoon of salt. So we're going to mix this up good. We're going to add 1/2 cup shredded mozzarella cheese. And as we stir this into the warm cauliflower, it'll start to melt and help this stick together. Now we're going to add 1/2 of an egg beaten. The reason why it's a 1/2 of an egg is I'm making a 1/2 a recipe. And just add a little bit of color to it. I think I'm going to add a little bit of parsley flakes. Okay, I've got a baking sheet with some parchment paper on it. And I'm just going to take 1 tablespoon scoops, which I think is going to be about the size of what a tater tot should be. Maybe a little bit smaller than a tablespoon. So here you can see I've used pretty much the whole recipe. I've got 17 tater tots here. So now I'm going to put them in a 400-degree oven for 15 minutes. So they bake for 15 minutes. These look pretty nice. Let me flip them over. Okay, we'll put them back in the oven now for another 15 minutes. So I've taken them out of the oven after the other 15 minutes. They look pretty good. They look kind of like tater tots, I think. So now we can give them a taste here and see how it is. I like them as far as the low carb, because it's a really nice snack. They're not quite as crispy and crunchy as I was hoping they would be, like a tater tot. Yeah, as far as a low carb snack, I think it's good. And I'll have to admit, this is like the third time I've made these. The first time I tried to substitute the cheese and put cheddar cheese, and it just did not work at all. And I think, the second time I had just the real finely chopped cauliflower, and that just didn't hold together either, but this riced cauliflower. So if you're gonna make these, go to the store and look for the riced cauliflower. It's very tiny little pieces of cauliflower. And it definitely made, this was definitely the best batch. Yeah, it's good. Good potato substitute. So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up and please subscribe to Ed Foodie. Thank you.